Hi everybody, welcome back to a new video. Today I will present how you can add a live chat to a website without any coding skills. Before to start, some more words about what is a live chat. We can define a live chat like an app or an application that allows user to communicate with business representatives in real time rather than speaking with them by phone or email. Having a live chat on your websites can have many benefits like can improve your customer experience, help you with customer acquisitions, provide 24-hour support, can give you some competitive advantage and gather important data about your users and also for keyword research. So let's get started. Live chats can be installed on many CMS or can be added by inserting a code in a HTML or CSS document. In front of me, I have a WordPress website that I am currently working on it. So to do this, we go to dashboard, we go to plugins, add new, and we search for our plugin name. It's called SmartsApp. So this is the plugin that we're going to install. We click install now. We wait a few seconds till the plugin will be installed and we click activate. And our plugin is already activated. We scroll down and we see our plugin here. And I already have an account, so I use we log into our account. And now our chat is almost installed. To test the live chat, we go to our website and as you can see, the live chat is working. So we write something. And as you can see here, we get notifications about a user. SmartsApp is an amazing application. Has many features that we can use. For example, we can upload profile pictures, a logo, or a person who is in charge with customer service. As well, we can connect with Facebook pages. We can create, we can activate different type of chat box, for example, this kind. Another important features is we can monitor the visitors that are currently in our websites, and also we can record, activate recordings. We can see how users are interacting with our websites. Different types of analytics like conversions, response times, and the time that users are spending on our websites. As well, the application gives us the opportunity to add some automatic messages like chatbots, for example, regarding shipping, payments, your services, return and replacement of goods, your status order. Another important features is you can have, discover what is new. For example, you can connect with Google Analytics, you can add a chatbot to your Facebook, settings as well. So that is for today. If you have any comments and suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. And if you like my video, please like and subscribe. Bye and see you in the next video.